Okay, I'll take a video.
Alright, before we sit together. Smile.
It's a video.
Really?
Yeah.
It's what? A video.
Video.
A video?
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
what are you doing? Yeah.
I'm an agent of the BBC, so you can say something about your camp?
I can.
Yeah.
Would you pay us for interview?
Okay.
Money? I was just telling
How much money do you want to earn?
I think 5,000 is enough. 5,000. Okay. He doesn't have it with him.
Okay.
Camp is good, Sergey.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. And the weather is very good. And we just talked about the food. I like the food as well. It's very good. Very tasteful. So.
Okay. Give me your number of your credit card and
My credit card? No. I don't know. I'll hide it for you.
Okay. So say some regards to someone.
Oh, someone. To my husband that I miss very much. And my little granddaughter. I miss her too.
Okay. So do you enjoy your camp?
Yeah. Very much, yeah. Sometimes a little tired.
Okay. What's your favorite activity here?
Sleeping. Talking with people.
Ah, I see.
I like sport activities. Yesterday I had to run so fast, I can't do it anymore. I'm getting too old for that.
Well, okay.
Right.
I'll send you some money soon.
Oh.
So be prepared. Oh, it starts raining. Okay, see you later.
See you later. Bye.